70 in 3, 2, 1, go!
And in this last qualification match, the final chance for our teams to shake up the rankings. We see both alliances off to a strong start so far. Seems like Blue Alliance has managed to place all 3 of the game pieces that they started with. Red Alliance doing that and then some, getting 3 cubes scored, bottom, middle, and upper rows, plus 54-19, making it back onto their charging station and getting it level to score an engaged robot. And speaking of Berkelium, they are currently launching cubes, just trying to get a hold of them, getting them safely in front of the red grids to score later. And they're racing across, this time going for a cone from their substation. And Red Alliance indeed is currently hanging on to that lead that they took in Autonomous. We see Prototypes also trying to race back over to their substation. Red just trying to grab as many game pieces as they can at the moment. Blue Alliance, however, is far from done with this match. We see Misfits. They're over by the blue side of the field, trying to either get in the way of the Red Alliance or just generally benefit their team's score. And meanwhile, 90-38, they have been scoring for Blue, and they are on the hunt looking for some more game pieces. Misfits on Blue getting a bit of a jam between Prototypes and Berkelium, those Red Alliance robots on their way to score. And with about 1 minute and 10 seconds left to go, Red Alliance is hanging on to their lead, but it is narrower now than it was. Berkelium getting a cone scored onto the middle row. It is enough for the Red Alliance to earn their first link so far, although this one comes from the bottom row. And it was 50 seconds left to go. Red Alliance has 10 points separating them from Blue. And we see Berkelium once again getting that another cone scored in the middle row, and Drew Robotics racing over to join them. 40 seconds left to go. Seems like a couple of our robots might be eyeing up the charging stations, but Berkelium for the Red Alliance is not done with game pieces yet. Over at their substation, they have grabbed a cube, 2 cubes for a moment in fact, and raced back with it. Just over 30 seconds left, and Blue Alliance is first to set their sights on the charging station. Seems like they are trying to get all 3 of their robots lined up. Currently, it's just 90-38, not only falling off, but tipping all the way over. 14 seconds left, and that leaves only 2 Blue robots who might be available to climb. 10 seconds left. Berkelium and Prototypes onto the charging station, docked and engaged for the Red Alliance. Seems like Blue Alliance might just manage to finish with 1. Taking that match by a score of 106-57. Red Alliance earning 3 ranking points as well. That's enough to keep Berkelium and Prototypes at their places in the ranks, and Drew Robotics also moving up to 12th.